Namaskara and welcome to Bangalore. Is this your first trip to Bangalore? No, no, no. No, no, no. You keep coming here.
Keep coming. Yeah, but I've been to Bangalore many times, especially for films. But definitely first time for a South.
For South. So how excited are you?
I think words can't express how excited I am. It's been from the very first day when I was the chosen one to be a part of an S.S. Rajamouli film. It is a dream come true for any actor to be directed by
Yes.
him and represented by him. So yeah, I wouldn't say too much. I have immense gratitude in my heart, and I think I'm one of those people who was screaming and shouting while I was watching the trailer, even though I'm part of the film,
Part of
because
the
I
film.
was so excited and just. I was telling Sir, I said he just knows exactly what to make an audience feel. You go up, you go down, you go side, you go left, you go round, round, you go. It's like a roller coaster of emotions and thrill and excitement. So I'm really looking forward to the release and to the experience of the audience experiencing it.
And I must say, you look stunning on screen, stunning. So I just have a small request. We have all Kannada fans. They would really want to hear you speak 2 words of Kannada. If you don't mind, if I can teach you, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Aye.
My tutor.
And the best. Thank you so much, Alia. And NTR sir, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ NTR ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಬಂದು ಕುಂದಾಪುರದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕನ್ನಡನ ಟ್ರೈಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಪ್ಪುವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. RRR ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೂವಿ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಗ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. All credits for my dubbing to Rajamouli garu.
Wow.
And he really pushed me to speak, and ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కన్నడలో మాట్లాడితే అనేది. టుడే when I saw this experience on big screen, I felt it. Thank you so much for making me dub in Kannada. Means I can see what an impact it can create. And ఇందాక వెంకట్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు ముఠా మేస్త్రి సినిమా అప్పటి నుంచి నాన్నగారి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉంది. అండ్ ఫర్ మీ టు అగైన్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ ఆడియన్స్, యు ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ లాయల్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అవుట్సైడ్ in the south, outside AP&T. Thank you so much. We are always indebted to you. Love you all. Love you.
Thank you, Ram Charan sir. As a fan, I have a small request, NTR sir ge matte Ram Charan sir ge. As I said, the whole nation is celebrating Dosti Rajamouli sir. So once on stage, that signature handshake of yours and Ram Charan sir, if that can happen on stage, it will be history.
Well, is Rajamouli going to say action? Actually,
Wow, it would be amazing. Sir, once in action, sir, please.
Okay, and action.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah,
Thank you.
We'll start the question.
Yes, sir. Thank you so very much. And now, the press. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ questions ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಮೈಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Please send one mic there. Yes.
My question is to Junior NTR sir. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮೂಲದವರು, ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಮೂಲದವರು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಬ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸು ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಾ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಪಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಮಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಿ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡು ನೀನು, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಸುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ನೀನು. ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇರು ನೀನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವರದರಾಜ್ garu, ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಗುರು ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ?
ನಂದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi sir. Hello. Hi sir, this is Syed Hidayat, journalist from News Alert channel. Sir, my question is NTR sir ಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ RRR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್, ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ?
It's actually a very disturbing thing for me. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಮಾರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ನನಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್, ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ I will never sing it, but this will be my first and last. ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮದಯ್ಯ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು. Wherever he is, his blessing should always be on us.
Thank you so much sir.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, TV9 ಕನ್ನಡ నుంచి మీరు ಟೀಸರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನು? ಜೊತೆಗೆ
I don't know. See, I'm not very sure of my successes. For me, every film is like my first film. So I realized to whatever we write, whatever we think in our mind, finally that emotion, that story has to get conveyed to the audience through the faces of the actors. So if you ask me what is my success, I will say one of my success is that I select the best actors to play the roles of my characters. For instance, in this I have Komaram Bheem and Allur Sitaramaraju, Ram and Bheem, and it's very important for me to select the right actors for that. And I have fantastic actors, NTR and Charan, to play those characters, and I have Alia Bhatt, who plays a very crucial role when we have these kind of high energy characters on the screen. There needs to be a person who can, control them or unite them or be a bridge between these two forces. So it is very important to select the actors. I think one of the success is that I was able to select very good actors for my films.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಗೂಸ್ ಪಂಪ್ಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು. So as a director, all those sequences, elements, is that the driving factor for you to direct a movie, or ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ elements you keep in the movie to make it a completely pulling factor for the audience to come to theater?
Okay, let me put it like this. When I first start off the story in the initial moments, is obviously the moments that will make me go wow. Now, it's not about the audience. At that point of time, I don't think of the audience. At that point of time, I think only of myself. Am I going wow? Will I be so interested in putting my time into this venture and then getting those thoughts onto the screen? Because all the thoughts of mine are larger than life. So it will take a lot of time to put them on screen the way I imagined it. So my question to myself is that, is the wow factor so big that I will invest 2 years or 3 years of my time in this particular story? If my yes goes for all those high moments, then I go for them. Obviously, those high moments will make me go forward with the project. But it is not just a high. It is not just the elevations. No, there should be an emotion that supports the elevation. Without that emotion, the high will not be a high at all. You'll just see one sense, this is nice, and it will just fall flat. The emotion should be there at underneath, and every action piece, I was telling last time also, even a film, even a song like Natu Natu, Halli Natu song, which is such a mass number with 2 mass heroes, even that has a lot of emotion underneath it. Without emotion, I cannot, my film will not function. Thank you.
Check. Hi sir, this is from here, right side of you. Yes, this is Harshavardhan from News 18 Kannada. We know that this movie is inspired by Komaram Bhim and Alluri Sitaram Raju. How much of the movie is created or inspired, and how much of the movie is real instinct based?
See, the inspiration for the movie is not just the characters, or the freedom fighters themselves, but it is their undying spirit. That is I am fully inspired by that. But as a story, the story is completely fictional. Not even one scene, not even one shot is history. Everything is fictional. But if you look at the spirit that with the fierceness that they fought against the British for the independence, that fierceness is completely real. That is what we got inspired from, and that is what you see in the film. Thank you.
Harya, hi. Satish from Raj News. I have a question for Arya. Arya, you said ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೀಮ್ ವಿತ್ Rajmali sir. How was the experience in movie? Because looking very beautiful in that movie, we feel like you look like Aishwarya Rai in that movie actually. Yeah.
Thank you. That's a huge compliment. It was a very, very, and it's still a learning experience. Even now, of course, it was a dream come true, as I've mentioned. I was very nervous because I'm speaking a language that I've just learned for the film. So I was very nervous whether I'll be able to emote at the right point. Will I take the right pauses? Will I be able to, hold the power and importance of the lines? Because I got the translation and they're very important. Whatever I'm delivering, and it's for me, I'm like want to be the A+ student. I want to live up to my director's expectations. But honestly, when I went on set, sir made it so easy for me because he knows exactly what he wants. Right, and every line, every emotion, the way he would come and direct me, the things he would say really pushed me as well. He calls him Jakarna, right? Which is a sculptor, because he wants that perfection. And I couldn't agree more, because he will really push you to your optimum limit so you can get that right emotion and deliver that on screen. But it was such a learning experience to understand we don't call him a master storyteller for no reason. He genuinely loves stories. So in between shots also, sir was constantly coming and telling me stories. Different stories. And have you heard this story? Have you heard that story? Wonderful, which I still remember. And even now, I'm constantly picking his brains. So what do you feel about this? What do you feel about that? Because at the end of the day, the experience that he has and the understanding he has of Indian cinema, I just want to take all of it and digest it. So yeah, it's still a learning experience.
ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದರ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಚ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರ್ ಹೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೋರ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಮೂವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ RRR ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ that is 1 second decision that we should present here and we should let the people of Karnataka experience this movie.
ಅನದರ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ರೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯಶ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಇದು ನಿಜನಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
This is a big day for us here. We are doing RRR,
Yes.
Biggest Indian movie trailer and press meet. This question sadyake out of syllabus ansate, so we'll talk about it later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi sir, this question for Ram sir. Hi, this is Nagendra from Passion for Movies YouTube channel. Sir, ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಸೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಮ್ NTR ಸರ್ ರೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಬೂಸ್ ಬಂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ?
There's an old saying of Alfred Hitchcock, where drama starts, logic ends. Where logic starts, drama can also end. So, and especially when Rajamouli Garu tells you something on sets, I don't know about other actors, Nay and I stopped using my logic so much because he would have traveled with that drama or logic for many years before he narrated to me. And seeing his experience, I just do to the T exactly what he tells me. So I don't use logic and my brain when I'm working with him.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ETV ನ್ಯೂಸಿಂದ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ರಾಮಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದರೆ, ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ RR ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು? ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ ಹೇಗೆ? Ramcharan sir.
Yeah, of course. Nagaraj, Varadaraj sir was our man behind our dubbing. Obviously, we've seen some Kannada films and everything, but all that doesn't help when you have a tutor or a mentor like Varadaraj Garu. It helped me a lot, and didn't have to learn the full language. Obviously, we learned the script. We revised the script multiple times. We had a dry run, and then it was quite easy. In fact, I enjoyed amongst the 4 languages. I remember Rajamouli sir said after watching all the thing, your Kannada was one of the best.
ಸರ್, ಏನಂದರೆ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಆಫರ್ಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'm waiting for a long time. I hope after RRR I'll get one good director or a nice actor here to offer me a beautiful part. Thank you.
ಸರ್, ಸತೀಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೀರೋಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಆ ಲವ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್?
Okay, see, there is a grammar for a story, right? When you start just like you have a grammar for the language, how you speak the language, the sentence has to be spoken in a certain way to make sense. Just like that, there is a grammar for the story also. No, we have 9 rasas, 9 emotions. And there is a grammar on how you play with the emotion. Once you start a particular emotion, it dictates how the second emotion should be. That will dictate how the third emotion should be. So there is a flow of events. In the flow of events, if the love portion comes in, then I will play love emotion. Love is also an emotion. Anger is an emotion. No, fantasy is an emotion. Fantastical elements is an emotion. So like that. Just because I have the most beautiful girl as my heroine, I will not play the love part. The story has to demand. Just because there is Sharon, just because they make a very good pair, I will not play out the love scenes. No, that will hamper my storytelling. Earlier, someone was asking me what is the success like. This is one of the reasons. Of course, the audience are very, very important to me. Audience expectations are very, very important to me. But I will not let that dictate how I tell my story. The story is the most important thing and I play according to it.